Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching me again. Today I'm going to show you how I create this beautiful orange eye look that's perfect for any occasion. It's vibrant, versatile and super fun to wear. So if you're ready to glam with me, let's jump right into the tutorial. Hey, wait. Before get into the video, I just want to take a moment to say huge thanks to all my subscribers. Your support means a lot to me and I'm so grateful for each and everyone. It's because of you that I get to do what I love and I'm so excited to continue this journey with you all. If you are new here, welcome. I did love for you to join our community, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks again for all your love and support. I couldn't do this without you. So let's dive into the video. Let's start with the eyebrows, which really helps frame the face and enhance the eye look. So first I'm using a eyebrow pomade. This is from Swiss Beauty to lightly fill in my sparse areas. And I like to start by outlining the bottom of my brows and then fill in with small hair-like strokes to keep it looking natural. And next I'm using spoolie brush to blend out the product. After shaping my brow, I like to clean up underneath my brows using concealer with the help of small flat sheeted brush, and I am applying the same concealer all over my eyelids. This creates an even base and neutralizes any discoloration of my eyelid, and it also helps the eyeshadow color stand out more. And I am using damp sponge to blend the concealer and set it with some translucent powder. For this eye look today, I'm going to be using this Ultimate Shadow Palette from Swiss Beauty in the shade 04. Next, I'm going in with a burnt orange as my transition shade. So for that, I'm picked these two shades with a fluffy brush and I am placed this to my inner and outer corner of my eye and blending it towards my crease. This helps the orange shimmer and glitter blend seamlessly later on. To add some depth, I'm using a slightly darker shade on the outer and the inner corner of my eye and I'm blending this into the orange with the help of pencil brush to create a smooth transition and give the eye a bit more dimension. And then with the help of fluffy brush, I blend everything without any harsh line. Now for the main event, I am packing this stunning shimmery orange shade just center of my eyelids using my finger. You can also really build up the intensity here depending on how bold you want the look to be. And then I am blending the corners with orange shade using finger. You can also use brush. And then I am adding orange glitter on my eyelids with the help of glitter glue. The glitter glue is from iMagic and the glitter I purchased from Amazon. I am taking a glue with the flat brush and then apply the center of my lids and then apply a loose glitter with a fluffy brush to create a glitter eye look. You can create this look with any colors according to your parties and outfits. I'm just showing you how to create this eye look. And then I only apply false lashes and mascara to finish up the look. You can add liner, kajal, whatever you want to add to give this look a more unique. After finishing my both eye, I wipe off all the fallout with Garnier Masala water. And then I finish the rest of my face with foundation, translucent powder and I'm applying warm bronzer, neutral lip for this look. For adding glam to the whole look, I'm using some highlighter and that's it. This is the final look, a beautiful orange shimmery makeup that versatile and easy to create. I hope you guys will like this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe my channel for more tips and tutorials. If you recreate this look or have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on my social media. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Thread, Twitter and Hippie. I mentioned all my social links below the video. Check the link and follow that too. I love seeing your recreation and interacting with all of you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.